Unboxing my Dunkin' in Pillows strawberry and chocolate from at Dunkin' Philippines.
What is going on, blessed people? My name is Lay Chris, or you can call me Chris. So, another day, another budol. Hi everyone! So today's video is, nandito ako ngayon sa Dunkin Donut, harap na Indy so highway. And now is available na po yung Dunkin yan nila, yung kanilang 2 pillows. And ayun, so without further ado, so grab natin. So there you go guys, ayan. So nakapag-purchase tayo and nasa 706 or 3 pesos yung nagastos ko for this one. So ayun, so you need to buy 2 combos for each pillow. And so ang binili natin is Icy Choco na dalawa kasi dalawa yung purchase. So ang kinuha ko dito is yung kanilang Munchkin and yung kanilang bun something. This one. The Dunkin yan. Mali pala. So Dunkin yan. Ayan. So may pink pillow tayo and Dunkin na chocolate. Ayan. So ayun. Ang sabi sa akin ni ate, this February meron din daw silang bagong ilalabas na Munchkin on February 8 or 9. Ayan. So, yun yung naantay ko. And ayun. So, I'm so happy kasi nakapag-purchase na ako. Ang tagal kong binabalik-balikan to kung kailan ko mababalikan to or may available sila. So, ayun. Available na siya. So, yun lang. Gaya ng sinasabi ko, huwag magtipid, magsipag. Enjoy shopping everyone. Bye! Happy New Year!